What's up, YouTube? Eddie here with Insane Hobbies and RCs, and today we have the WLToys A979B full brushless and full metal conversion. We'll give you a quick rundown of what we've done to this truck here, just in case you're interested in doing the same thing. We have the full metal upgrade kit. You buy it from Banggood. It's like $61. Includes all the steering linkages, all the shock towers, all the reduction gears. All that stuff's included in that kit. We also went with the titanium chassis. You find it on Amazon. It's like $23. It's not titanium, but they call it titanium chassis. That's the way to find it. We also went with these upgraded shocks. These are oil-filled shocks. We've seen another version. Actually bought these here. This is the version that we purchased first. They're actually O-rings inside. I don't recommend them. You can't really tune them. See, they're just O-rings, and you can't really tune them. So we don't recommend them. These here, you can tune them with your own shock, your own weight shock oil to perform the way you want them to perform. I think that covers all that as far as the chassis and the metal upgrades. Like I said, everything's upgraded inside. The differentials are all metal. Everything's metal. As far as the brushless conversion goes, we went with the ZD Racing 60 amp ESC. It's capable of 2 and 3S lipos, so you can run 2 or 3 cell lipo batteries. We're also running a Gould RC 2845. Yeah, it's a 2845 3900 kV brushless motor. And we're also running, we upgraded the servo as well. We're running a Emax ES 3154, and it's a digital metal servo. We also upgraded the transmitter and the receiver. We're running the FS GT3C transmitter, Fly Sky transmitter, and this is the receiver that we're running. It's worked really well. Haven't had no issues with that. What else we have here? Oh, we're running the Asaniki high-speed stability gyro. You can find that online. I think we found that on Amazon. That really helps with the performance, keeping the vehicle straight at high speeds. What else do we have? Let me check and see. I think that includes that covers everything as far as that goes. We're running, as far as rims and tires, these are Apex RC products, and they're about $15 for the set. We've had some pretty good crashes with them. They've held up really well. Haven't had no issues with them. I think that covers that. Like I said, we're running 2S and 3S lipos on this, and performance wise, with this setup the way you see it, on 2S lipos, the stock battery that came with it, we're running 45 miles an hour. When we switch over to 3S, or the 3-cell lipo, with the same setup, we're running 51 miles an hour. So that's a pretty good increase from what it was doing stock when we purchased it. It was doing, I think, like 37 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour, something like that. And it was uncontrollable. Anyway, there you go. There's a rundown. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section, and I will be quick to answer them, let you know where we got the products, what we're using, and if we can do anything to help, just let us know.